My country people na Pidgin News Network now carry come give now. 12 people don't test COVID-19 positive for inside Premier League. As the Premier League don't come out to come here and say on Monday 25th and on Tuesday 26th May, say they don't test 108 players and club staff for COVID-19 for inside all the people. Say 4 people don't catch the coronavirus from 3 clubs. So player and staff will be say they test positive will catch the COVID-19. Say they go stay away, can't stay for isolation for about 7 days. They can say before between 19 to 22 May, say they test 996 players and club staff and they test all of them of coronavirus. Say now only 2 people that they catch and positive for inside 2 clubs. And they test 748 players and club staff for COVID-19 on 17 and 18 May. And now 6 people that they catch and positive for inside 3 clubs. Say for the next 4th round, the website they go test them. Say they go increase them from 50 to 60, and on Thursday and Friday, now they go do them and now 60 people now they go test it for inside each club. This now man about reporting for Pidgin News Network.